Once again, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at nagbabalik tayo sa ating ethics lecture. At ito po yung pangalawang lesson natin, which is moral and non-moral standards. So bago ang lahat, kailangan muna nating tandaan ano ba dapat ang matutunan natin at the end. So ito lang po ang goal natin. Dapat ma-distinguish po natin between moral and non-moral standards. So bago ang lahat, ito muna yung mga tanong na dapat nating isaalang-alang. Una, ano ba talaga ang kaibahan ng moral at saka non-moral standards? Then after that, is ethics based on moral or non-moral standards? Ayan, but bago ang lahat, dito muna tayo sa activity. Okay, ganito lang po ang gawin natin. Out of 6, makikita nyo dyan, saan po ba dyan ang moral at saka non-moral standards?
A few moments later.
So ayan, babalikan natin ulit yung tanong, which of the following are moral and non-moral standards? Pero bago ang lahat, kailangan mo natin i-define ano bang kaibahan ng moral at saka non-moral standards para atin pong maintindihan. So, ang moral standards po are norms and prescriptions that serve as frameworks for determining what ought to be done or what is right and wrong. So, ito po ay norms and prescriptions na ginagamit natin para tingnan kung yung action ba natin ay tama o mali. Ang non-moral standards naman are social rules, demands of etiquette, and good manners. Yan po ang kaibahan nila. So kung titingnan natin dito, saan ba ang moral and non-moral standards? The first three, such as do not steal, do not cheat, do not kill, are moral standards. While the non-moral standards are don't speak while your mouth is full, submit your works on time, when speaking with someone older than you, use po and opo. These are non-moral standards because these are social rules, these are demands of etiquette, and it pertains to good manners and right conduct. Moral standards can be consequence or non-consequence standards. So what is consequence standards? Ang consequence standards ay nagsasabi that the morality of our action is based on its good consequence or result. Ito po yung ethical standards or moral standards na tinitingnan na ang ating action ay tama at mali based po doon sa consequences na binibigay nito. If it is good consequence, then it is a moral action. And one of the examples of consequence standards is utilitarianism. Non-consequence standards are moral standards that are based on natural law, good intention and duty, and building character. What does it mean? When it comes to the natural law theory, it says that God imprinted in us goodness in our hearts, that we have the capacity to know what is right and wrong by the use of our reason and natural inclination. When it comes to the ontology, what is more important is our intention more than the consequence. That we do it for the sake of duty. And when it comes to virtue ethics naman, we can say that we are moral when we build a kind of virtuous character.
A few moments later.
Ang tanong, paano po natin malalaman kung ito ay moral standards? Si Dr. Evangelista at Mabakyo ay nagbigay po ng 4 na characteristics or nature ng moral standards at ito po yung mga sumusunod. Ito po ay moral standards if it deals with matters that can seriously harm or benefit human beings. Yung atin pong examples kanina, yung tatlo, yung thou shall not steal, thou shall not kill, and thou shall not cheat, are moral standards because they can harm human beings. Pangalawa, moral standards have universal validity. So, ang moral standard po ay nai-apply kahit saan, kahit kailan, or kahit saan ka mang lupalop ng mundo. Like for example, the golden rule. Do not do unto others what you don't want them to do unto you. Number 3, moral standards are generally thought to have a particular overriding importance, that is, people feel they should prevail over other values. Yung thou shall not kill as moral standards are actually more important or dapat nating pagtutuunan ng pansin kaysa po doon sa rules of grammar or yung personal taste or even our social rules and etiquette. Number 4, moral standards are not based by the decisions of authoritarian bodies nor solely determined to appealing to consensus or traditions. So, ang moral standard po ay hindi po galing sa tradition, hindi rin po ito galing sa kung anong relihiyon meron tayo, although meron tayong moral norms, but it should be based on reason or justified moral norms. Dahil po tayo ito po ay pag-aaral ng ethics, doon po tayo nakadepende. Kasi po, they are valid naman. So these are the characteristics of moral standards, characteristics and nature of moral standards.
A few moments later.
So ito po yung tanong natin. Is ethics based on moral or non-moral standards? Okay, it is based on moral standards. So to end, for our reflection, what do you think is the significance of distinguishing between moral and non-moral standards? So yun po ang assignment natin. Yan din po ang ating sasagutan at pag-reflectan. Okay? You may also use the comment section to write your own ideas regarding this topic. Thank you so much and have a good day to all.